I just cried. I was just crying. That's mascara ran from my tears.
Hello internet, my name's Catherine, and today, honestly, I'm not feeling too great. I'm not having the best day. There's not really an exact reason why, I just don't feel awesome. So as I was driving home from school today, thinking about what I wanted to film, I decided that I wanted to film 10 ways to instantly feel better because, I need this. So even if you guys don't need it, I do. And I'm sure that this will help some of you guys out if you're just in a funk or you're not feeling too great, or even if you just are feeling good and want to feel extra good. So these are 10 things that I do that make me feel happier instantly. I hope you guys enjoy. My first tip is to work out. I love this. It is scientifically proven that working out releases endorphins, which make you happy. So when I'm not feeling great, if I work out, I feel like I'm being productive, I'm helping reach my goals, and the endorphins just make me feel a lot better. And it doesn't have to be a long thing, just 5-10 minutes is enough to make me feel better. My second tip is to drink water. There's something about drinking a full 16-ounce glass of ice cold water that instantly wakes me up and makes me feel so much better. Not to mention all of the amazing health benefits that water has. Number 3, make a snack. This can be anything you want. If you're not feeling great, throw the diet out the window, okay? I love making eggless cookie dough. It's so yummy and you don't have the eggs in it, so you don't risk getting salmonella. I'll link the recipe I use down below. It makes enough for 2 people, but I just eat the whole thing. And that helps me so much. It's just so nice to just sit and eat something yummy and you just feel good. Number 4 is to play with your pet, or if you don't have a pet, go play with one of your friend's pets. Just call your friend and be like, can I hang out with your dog? I love being around animals. Animals are scientifically proven to help make people feel happier. So play with your animal and love them and cuddle up with them. Tip number 5 is to cuddle up in bed. Sometimes if I'm just having a really bad day, I feel emotionally, mentally, physically exhausted, and I just want to curl up in bed with a blanket, put on some Netflix and just relax, maybe take a nap. That always helps me feel better. Number 6 is to play around with makeup or get dressed up or whatever. There's something so fun about looking really, really nice and just messing around with makeup and not having to follow any rules or anything, just doing what you want to do. Just that always makes me feel better. Number 7 is to create. This can be whatever you enjoy doing. Write a song, make a YouTube video, paint, whatever it is that makes you feel inspired, do that. Creating is one of the most amazing things for the human brain. Number 8 is to go outside. As much as I love cuddling up in bed, nothing can replace being outside in nature. There's sunlight, and if it's not sunny where you are, maybe don't go outside. But when it's bright and sunny outside and you can hear the birds chirping and hear water or whatever it is that you're around, it can just really help center you and make you feel so good. Number 9 is to talk to loved ones. This can be a friend, a partner, mom, dad, brother, sister, grandma, aunt, uncle, whoever it is that you like talking to. Just FaceTiming or giving them a call can really help boost your mood. And even if you don't talk about what's wrong, you can talk about anything. I think it really helps. Then lastly, number 10, one of my personal favorites, is to dance around in your room to music. If I am feeling super stinky, if I put on some music that I love and get up and just force myself to dance, eventually I'm just dancing for pure fun. And the best part of it is nobody's watching you, nobody cares, so you can do whatever you want, and that's amazing. So those are the 10 things that I do when I'm not feeling too great. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I make new videos every single Saturday and I would love to have you. Hope you guys have a great day. Love you so much. Bye!